Hello everybody, today I am super excited because I'm doing a video I literally wanted to do right when James Charles announced that he was getting his new palette, and I just picked it up today. I am so excited, literally so excited. I haven't even opened it, haven't even looked at it yet because I wanted to open it for the first time on camera and do like a first reaction type thing. I'm so happy for him. He's amazing. He's absolutely amazing. And I thought it would be a fun idea since I literally just bought the Jaclyn Hill palette about 2 months ago. I was like, oh, it would be a cool idea since they're both like two of my favorite YouTubers to kind of like compare their two palettes since they're both made by Morphe. I was kind of like, I wonder if there's some similarities. I think they're both amazing. I'm not trying to bash one of them by. Anyway, I am so excited to open this. I already have all my face makeup done. I am going to do one eye using the James Charles palette, and then I'm going to do the other eye using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to compare. I think both of them are amazing, so I honestly think I can't go wrong either way here. But I guess we're gonna put them to the test a little bit. I think both are $39. I know this was $39, but I'm not. My phone's all the way over there. Gotta do my quick little research, which I should have done before this video, but I didn't. One of them is on eBay for $13. I know I did not pay $13 for it, so... Oh, it says it's $38 on Morphe. This is 35 colors, this is 39 colors. 38 bucks, 39 bucks. They're both honestly not bad, very cheap. Also, like to point out, I already did my face makeup, so all I'm gonna do are the eyes, and it's so sad because summer is literally over, and my face, like my foundation, does not match my body like whatsoever. And I'm probably not gonna buy new foundation to match my body because I'm lazy. If you're wondering why my face doesn't match my body at all, it's because winter. It matched like a month ago. I'm going to open this because I have been waiting all day. By all day, I literally mean it's midnight right now. Honestly, I'm just on a whacked up schedule. College just makes me like crazy. I don't even know. Okay, getting into the goods. Bubble wrap. Love to see that. First of all, already love it. The size difference, pretty substantial. This packaging is so sleek, so sleek. How do you open it? Oh my gosh. I'm sister shook. Every color, literally every color. The only thing I don't like is like, there's no way I'm gonna know what the name of any of these colors are because there's no way I'm gonna be able to keep this. I really liked how the names were on the back of Jaclyn's palette, but that's okay. Okay, moving on. So we're gonna put these two to the test in a few seconds, and I cannot wait. So if you want to see me test out James Charles versus Jaclyn Hill, then keep on watching. Welcome. Now you are all closer to my face so you can see what's going on. And I think what I'm going to do, sorry, a lot of hand motions going on, but I feel awkward, just like a floating head. I'm gonna try and do a similar look using both palettes, but I'm not trying so hard to compare them. I'm gonna focus more on the quality. We're just gonna see where this goes because the James Charles palette, the colors are so like there's a lot more natural colors in Jaclyn's palette, if you know what I mean, but I don't want to do a natural look. Like when you look at James's palette, you don't want to do a natural look. You feel? So it's like I don't want to, but I'm not going to, okay? We're deciding. But I'm going to just go in with the color Punch Me, just this natural brown shade. I'm gonna put it all in the crease. And I decided the right eye will be dedicated to James's palette. Touching them with the brush, they feel buttery, and there's not a crazy amount of fallout, but we'll see. That actually shows up pretty well. In Jaclyn's palette, I am going to go in with the shade Hooter. this bad boy right here. I'm gonna go and put that in my left eye. I feel like hers has more fallout, but I am never mad at fallout. By the way, I am not a makeup artist, so I don't even know if my opinions are really that relevant, which they probably aren't. I'm just doing this for funsies. Ew, funsies. Just trying to have a good time, just trying to unleash my inner artist. Dabbling back into James's color because I think Jaclyn's was just a bit darker of a color. It's actually really nice because not that many colors in their palettes are like that similar. I want to put to test both of their black shades though. Okay, Jaclyn's. Swipe my finger in. That was Jaclyn's. Not bad. I don't know if it's because James's is new, but it feels... That was not that good. Did you guys see that? Like this one's Jaclyn's. I'm not impressed with that. I don't know if there's like a layer on top. That's with like a second swipe. And then like Jaclyn's is... Okay, and that's Jaclyn's with a second swipe right here. Guys. Okay, I got that all over my pants. Not gonna get into anything here. Trying to mind my own business, but that black was not very black. That's all I'm gonna say. I don't know why I thought that was gonna work. We're just gonna roll with it. I think I'm gonna try and use the blues in the palette because those really called me. So I think I'm going to use these four colors, these four bottom colors in Jaclyn's palette. I'm going to start with Jaclyn's by putting this color, which is Jada. I'm going to put the color Jada all in my crease. More below where I put that, what color was it? The brown color, Pooter. I think I'm just going to do Jaclyn's eye really fast because I'm sure you guys have seen many looks with this palette, so I'm going to do this eye really fast. I might talk in between what eyeshadows I'm using, and then I'm going to talk to you guys more when I use James's palette. I'm going to take the purple shimmer color, which is Royalty. I'm going to take this, it has blue flecks in it, and I'm going to put it in my outer lid area. I think I'm just going to use my finger. Wow, that was really nice. That went on like butter. Okay, next I'm going to take the dark blue, Work. These are some interesting names. Twerk, I'm going to put that on the center of my lid. Using the good old finger yet again. Okay, these colors don't look similar at all in the pans, but they actually look really similar when I put them on my eyes. Like the blue looks a little more purple. Next I'm going to take what in my opinion is like the prettiest color in the palette, which is Pool Party. Right here, and I'm going to focus this on the inner part of my eye more, and then I'm going to just try and blend all the colors together. I'm also gonna add in a little bit of this Soda Pop color into the outer corner to darken it up a little bit. Okay, so this is Jaclyn's eye, all complete, and I forgot to bring eyeliner home, so that's bad on my part, but I think it turned out really cool. It's dark and yet it has some pop in the inner corner. Very interesting. I tried to use the bright colors in her palette so that I could sort of match them as best as I could with the bright colors in James's palette. So I am super excited to jump into this. My dog. That's all I'm going to comment about this. So we already put the crease color in, and now I'm going, ooh, these colors are so different, but I'm going to go in with the really bright blue shade, which is, I think it's Brother. Nope, it's Playground. So I'm going to put, did I destroy one already? That's Sister Sabotage right there. Of course, I dug my freaking finger into it, so that's great. But I'm going to take Playground and I'm going to put it all in the crease. Oh, okay, so this color does have fallout. Not mad at, but the first transition color I used did not have like any fallout. And didn't Jaclyn say blues are harder to make? I don't want to be rude and use like blues and purples, I think she said, are the hardest to make color. So I feel bad using them first, but like my eyes are immediately attracted to bright blue colors. Obviously, because of behind me, my room. But this is actually going on like really nicely. Like I am thoroughly enjoying this. So I'm gonna do, I guess, the same thing that I did with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to use my fingers for the more shimmery colors. Okay, that purple is like a freaking glitter. It is the color Artistry. Whoa, I almost dropped the whole thing. Artistry, boom boom. This purple glittery color right here. I'm going to go in the outer edge of my lid with it using my finger. Wow, it's not that glittery, but it looks a lot like, looks very similar to the one in the Jaclyn palette, that blue purple shimmer to it. Not as pigmented. I think he said these were the ones that were best put on if you like packed them with a brush, because they are not going on that well with my finger. Once it does go on, it's really freaking pretty. That is gorgeous. Yeah, it's not going on that well with my finger, and I didn't bring any Sister setting spray with me, so that's cool. Pretty. Okay, so I got that purple like kind of down as much as it would go. Next I'm going, I hate having to look at this for the shade colors, but I'm gonna go into the color Acapella, this blue, more shimmery color. I'm gonna try this on my finger because it looks different. Oh yeah, that's bootery. Oh wow. That took me 5 seconds. 5 seconds to put on my lid. That was awesome. Okay, next I'm going to use the color, oh, I've got to get the handy dandy plastic part. Hello. I feel like you have to say it like, hello, like in that voice, you know, this beautiful shiny blue color, which I am deeply attracted to. We're gonna go in the inner corner area just like I did on the other eye. I literally think I pressed it right onto my freaking contact. I'm just gonna work on blending these more together. Definitely not as good as the Jaclyn ones to apply with a brush, like these shimmery ones. Oh shoot. Okay, I'm going to deepen it up with a more purpley shade, so I'm going to use this color right here. I'm going to let you know what it's called in a little bit because I forgot to look at the name. Escape. Escape? I used Escape. Oh my gosh, the blue color was called Acapella, not Escape. This purple color is called Escape though, so I'm gonna use that to deepen up the outer corners a little bit. That is very pigmented. There is a bit of fallout, but I shouldn't have done my foundation before this because this is a crazy eye look. I never do crazy eye looks, really, ever. I think it turned out really freaking cool, and they look actually really similar. I have to put on, does he have like a highlighty color? This color doesn't look as highlighty as in person as it did in his video. The color Face, which I'm assuming you use on your face. I don't know, because it looks very glittery in person, but maybe I'm just being... Oh no, wait, that's actually pretty nice. I love Jaclyn's brow bone highlight in her palette though too. I'm gonna actually use this highlight, the face color, on my actual face. Oh my gosh, glitter went everywhere. Glitter literally went all over the palette when I put my brush in that, but... Can you see that? It's not bad. I have better highlights though. So I literally think I finished both eye looks. This is what I did for both of them. Let me know what eye look you think turned out better in the comments down below. And we're just gonna stay zoomed in for this outro. I mainly just don't feel like unzooming the camera, but overall impressions, first impressions on this palette. Some colors I was like, they weren't like amazing, you know, but others were, and honestly for the price and for how many you get in here for this price and for the color range, you can do any makeup look with this palette. I don't know, Jaclyn's eyeshadows I feel like went on better, like more of them went on better, but then James's, like, they were good. I just think his turned out almost better. I don't want to say it, but I'm gonna say it, and I said it, and it's too late, we said it. Yes, definitely get your hands on the James Charles palette. Supporting YouTubers I think is amazing, and I think it's amazing when they come out with palettes because it's like, since they do makeup all the time, it's like they know what we want, you know? I'm not a makeup artist in any means whatsoever. I rarely ever do crazy looks, like, ever. And this is just coming from the viewpoint of your average 19-year-old consumer. Not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing. In my opinion, I liked it just because it really is, like, even though, I don't know, when Unleash Your Inner Artist, like, I giggle at that. Giggle. It makes me gig because I just hear it in his like, whispering voice, and it low-key makes me uncomfortable. But, it's actually so true because you get such a wide range of colors in this palette, like so many options. And so yes, I do think it's worth the money. I do think it's freaking amazing, and I can't wait to play with it more. I cannot fully, I guess, say what I think about it just because this was literally basically a first impressions video, just as all the other videos out right now pretty much are. Besides, like, James's, I guess. Sorry if you don't like being this close to me on this, like, outro, but we're gonna do it anyways. So, thank you so much for watching if you did. If you have either of these palettes, let me know which one you like better in the comments. I honestly cannot decide at the moment. I love them both so far. I'm definitely going to continue playing with them. If you want to see more makeup looks by me, which I usually don't do that many, but if you want to see more, that would be great. I would totally be down to do that. So let me know, and thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, subscribe if you want. And if you are subscribed, then I will see you in my next video. Thanks for spending the night with me. It's currently 1:15 in the morning, and I'm getting at that point where I am so tired I'm getting hyper. So tired I'm getting less tired. You feel? If you do, you're the real homie. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.